Popular Nigerian singer Portable has responded angrily to a video where Fuji musician Saheed Osupa vowed to deal with him after their recent feud. The conflict began when Portable, whose real name is Abibu Kikiola, called Saheed Osupa big for nothing in a viral video. Following the insult, Portable later apologized, but it appears the issue is far from over. After Portable disrespectful remarks, Saheed Osupa allegedly responded with a diss track, sparking reactions online. Recently, a video of Osupa during a live performance surfaced, in which he simply warned Portable that he was not done with him yet. In response, Portable took to social media declaring that he was also capable of being wicked. Fans have expressed mixed reactions to the ongoing drama. Some criticized Portable for consistently getting into trouble, while others warned him that the Fuji musician do not take insults lightly. The video of Portable's response is currently trending online, with many people anticipating the next phase of the feud. Meanwhile, Osupa has yet to make an official statement regarding Portable's latest comments. It's worth noting that this isn't the first time Portable has clashed with fellow artists, and fans are waiting to see whether he will maintain his stance or issue another apology. While this story continues to develop, we'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.